Hi everyone, so glad you could join us today. I'm Janelle, Marketing Manager for Social Media here at the Bradford Exchange. I have someone you are going to absolutely adore hearing from today. This is Andrea. She is one of our product designers, and she has designed this. She's designed this lovely array of seasonal holiday charm bracelets.
Yes, thank you. I'm so excited to bring you guys this collection and get to see the fully revealed the whole collection right here today.
Because I know, like, if you've been following us on Facebook and on Instagram, TikTok even, we're over on TikTok now. I know you've probably seen maybe the 4th of July bracelet, or maybe earlier this year you saw, Valentine's Day or the St. Patrick's Day one for March. And now, I know you're probably seeing this one over here. I like this one, it's cute. Halloween, because Halloween is coming.
Spooky season.
I know, I'm so excited. Look, we're already dressed for it.
Yes, we're totally in the mood.
We're already excited. I'm just missing my witch hat.
Oh yes.
Yes, a little crow on it. But we're gonna get into what this collection is, get you some close-ups, show you some of we're gonna talk about the big three, the big three holidays that all come back to back to back. Because holiday season starts with Halloween, and I feel like it doesn't end until like St. Patrick. No, Easter. I forgot Easter.
We get a little break in between.
All the holidays.
Yes, lots of holidays, lots of seasons.
But your collection, the way you've designed this is we can stay in style all year round.
Yep.
So the way this collection works is you start out with the bracelet for the current month, which right now you get Halloween. You're gonna get Halloween. And the neat thing about these sets is they don't just come with a bracelet, they come with matching earrings. So I'm gonna reach across. Well, I'm already reaching across, so I'm gonna steal this one.
Go right ahead.
And I love how these work. Like,
yeah, they have 3 charms on them, and then these beautiful colored faceted crystals that kind of match the theme of each holiday. So you have like a ghost, a pumpkin, and a beautiful black cat.
and I'm not gonna put them on because nobody wants to watch me try to put on earrings
Oh, well, I
without
have
a
them
mirror.
on.
Oh,
so
you've
you
got
can
them on.
kinda
There
see
we
them
go.
Here, so for scale, how they'll look. But they're really nice. They're hypoallergenic, so they're going to be really safe to wear throughout the day as well. And they're just an easy, goes with any outfit for each season. Can, each season get this great. So the great thing is they're adjustable.
That's
so
nice.
It's going to fit any wrist. It has this really nice wire mechanism that you open and pull to easily get the bracelet on. And then once you get it on, you cinch it in a little bit, and there you go.
Ta-da! And I know we're looking at the Halloween bracelet. I know we've got Thanksgiving here because that's next. I love Thanksgiving.
Turkey.
Corn casserole, green bean casserole, prawns.
Lots of fall.
Pie. Pie.
Pumpkin spice season.
Oh, that's
yes.
right. Boots.
Yes, definitely.
Boot weather is coming. It's not quite boot weather here in Chicago yet, but boot weather is coming.
Yeah.
Since we're on the subject of fashion, so Thanksgiving, of course, you've got a turkey and a cornucopia and a little hat.
Yes, and even on the side, there's little leaf details. So there's lots of little details within these bracelets that you really can't find anywhere else. Like, this is all put together just for you in one bracelet. A lot of times you go in the marketplace and you have to pick and get a lot of different beads to create this look. So this is great that you
And
get
you've
this
done
all
it
in
for
one.
us.
Yes.
You've done it for us.
Yes.
She's done the work. Andrea has done the work for you. You're also, you just have to put it on and wear it.
Mm-hmm.
And then after Thanksgiving,
Christmas.
Christmas.
Yes.
Oh gosh, Christmas. Presents and elves and snow and Santa and I'm running out of words, but it goes on and on and on in that fashion.
And this one's nice because it actually has extra little crystals on the Christmas tree, and it sparkles with little enameled glitter. These are all hand enamel painted, so they really have special details. This whole collection actually was inspired by my mom.
Yes, I was going to get to this. Okay, tell us more about what inspired it. Tell us about your mom.
So my mom has been a teacher for over 35 years, and
Congrats
I always
to her.
remember her wearing holiday themed outfits throughout the year, kind of like brighten herself up and help cheer up the kids. So I was like, what would somebody want every season? Holiday themed jewelry. So I could definitely see this something my mom would want, I would want, and you can wear it throughout the season.
I would.
Yes.
Where can I get one?
Bradford Exchange.
And not just that. because it's not just Halloween and Thanksgiving and then Christmas, because that's the order you would get these in. If you order now, you would start your collection with Halloween, and then in about a month or so you'd get Thanksgiving, and then a month or so after that,
And then
Christmas.
you get the box.
Oh, the box!
Can't forget the box.
That box, yes. Check out this box. This is really, really cool. Each month is labeled. I've kind of covered them up when I set it up, but you can see where October, November, and December is supposed to go. That each little slot is labeled with the month it's supposed to have.
So
And
you know when you get the box, you know where each spot you're going to put your bracelet, and you can collect them. It really gets you to want to collect them and get them all and fill all the little spots.
It's nice. I could imagine this sitting on a dresser, and just it's very pretty and colorful. Because you've got all the different beads. Like once the set's complete, and as you can see, you know you've got like a nice winter theme for January. You got nice hearts and love for Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day. 4-leaf clover in there, Easter. I like the Easter one. I love the, I know you talked about, you know, all of the enameling that's done on these, but the detail in those eggs.
Yes, they're very detailed, all in those little flowers, even on the eggs on the.
Trying to imagine the tiny paintbrushes they're using when they do that enameling.
Yes.
And then after Easter, we are finally out of the holiday season. We get a break.
Yes.
We go down to May. We've got a lovely spring theme there, some flowers.
Get a little bit more like themed with the seasons here, kind of what you'd be wearing throughout the month.
Because even though there isn't like a big holiday, there's still a seasonality. I mean, we still dress for different fashions, different seasons. You know, you've got your spring attire, you've got your summer attire. I know I love fall because it's boots and sweaters and jeans.
Love it.
That's why I moved from Florida to Chicago.
Get all the seasons here.
I can wear boots in Chicago. You know, and then we've got a nice, you know, summer starting right here in June. We got a nice summer there, and then we're back to the holidays with the 4th of July.
So if you're a patriotic bride.
Very patriotic. I love the red, white, and blue in that. And then and I like how you incorporated the flag, not as just a flag, like a little rectangular charm, but how you put it in the heart, because for so many people in our country, you know, their patriotism, their spirit of America is at the heart of their lives. So that was a very nice touch.
Thank you. And even little stars to represent fireworks.
And they're fun and sparkly.
Yeah, little glitter in the red.
And then we're back to more summer with August. I like this. I'm a big shoe person, footwear person, so I love that you put flip flops on the one for my month.
Oh,
I'm an August baby. I love what you did for August. And then we get into fall down here with September. Got some leaves and acorns.
Yes, some autumnal colors there too.
And I like that you didn't lean full blown fall. Like I like that you have that bright green in there, because September is a month of transition. I know we think of it as fall, and that's when fall officially starts. In fact, fall officially starts tomorrow, 22nd.
Yes. Oh my
tomorrow.
God, yes.
We're almost here.
We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there.
But I like how you incorporate it, because it's still a month of transition. You've got that pop of color still for summer, for all that warmth, but you're edging into fall.
Yeah, you have that like kind of Granny Smith apple color, and then more of that maroon color on the ends, and then it just has like the nice little acorns and leaves. I just love in the fall the transition of the leaves and all those beautiful different colors you see, and it kind of really captures it in that bracelet there.
And even in the enameling, like you get a
beautiful.
close up on that, you can even see a little bit of the transition in color in the leaf there. Well done. Oh, I love the subtlety in this. Oh, you just appeal to the artsy person in me. Very nice. And then after September, of course, we come full circle. We are back at Halloween. Get our pumpkins and witch hats out.
Yes, this is one of my favorites. I just love Halloween. My favorite of the year. Can't go without it.
Pops.
It does.
It really does just pop. It's not all like spooky, scary. It's like the fun aspect of it. And I think that's something with this entire collection is it's fun.
Yes.
You've not just captured the elements of each of the months with their holidays or with their seasons. You know, Andrea's captured the things that we love, the high points, the fun points, like going to the beach, the little heart-shaped sunglasses, and the sun is very cheery, and you know, bright springy colors with flowers and birds and butterflies. You brought out the things that are fun about the holidays.
Yes.
You know, and even January, I know at least for us up here in the north, Midwest, you know, after Christmas we get into January, and it's just cold and it's just snow.
Yes.
You know, real winter blues. But you even brought out the fun there. You know, the pretty snowflake, a snowman, because go out and make a
Who doesn't wanna do
snowman.
that? Yeah, that's
Make
a
a
fun
snowman.
activity. Put your mittens on.
For any age.
Watch the snow come down and build a snowman.
Exactly.
All
I
in
mean,
one
you
bracelet.
really, I mean, at a glance, the collection is cheery and it's seasonal, but it's like when you really, really look at it, you start to appreciate the attention to detail and just the passion you have for putting that attention to detail and that fun into each one of these bracelets. So let's circle back a bit
Okay.
to the inspiration.
Yeah.
You know, Andrea mentioned earlier that the inspiration for this collection came from her mother,
Yes.
who's a school teacher, a very brave woman who has been a school teacher for 35 years. If your mom is watching, thank you.
Yes.
You are a wonderful, wonderful person for teaching for that long.
Mhm.
Congratulations. But that her mom would dress up, you know, each month, you know, with the season, with the holidays, and it would inject a sense of fun into the classroom. So, what does your mother think about what you've created that it was inspired by her?
Oh, she loves it. I use her as a source of many inspiration. So she always gets a joy out of it. And, you know, she's an art teacher and she's kind of given her artistic abilities to me. So she loves to see me grow and be able to create all these beautiful things.
Oh,
Yeah.
art teacher, and now you design jewelry.
Yes.
That is the sweetest.
Yeah.
Oh,
She's great.
no, she sounds like a great mom and very
Mhm.
supportive.
Yes.
You know, you can't discount that.
Definitely. Can't do anything without mom.
No. And if my mother, because I know my mother is watching. I love you too, Mom.
Mhm.
I love you too. You're a great mom. Good daughter. She'll appreciate it. We tease in my family. But no, so just to go over it again, for those that are just joining us, this is our 12 months of the year holiday seasonal charm bracelet.
Yes.
Each month captures either the high holiday of that month, the big holiday of that month, or just the general seasonality if there is no major holiday in that month. And I know we've pulled out the three because the big three holidays are upon us.
Yes.
You know, Halloween, Thanksgiving, December, we have Christmas, so we have October, November, December, and then you would move your collection into next year with January with a nice winter theme, Valentine's Day, hearts and love for February. We move into March with our shamrocks and horseshoes, all of our lucky symbols for St. Patrick's Day.
Mhm.
Easter, which I still think this is, I don't know which I like better, September's bracelet or April. Oh, that's got so much detail, but there's a lot of fine-tuned detail here.
There is.
You know, we've got Easter for April, then we move into May. No major, big, huge holiday,
No
but
holiday, but
captured spring.
you know, you get the flowers, May flowers. You want to
Mhm.
bring those in with the birds and the, you know, butterflies, all the spring aspects coming to life.
Mhm. And then we get into June with the start of summer. Then we pop in with 4th of July, which is of course a major holiday here for us in America. When we jump back into some late summer fun with the beach. Yeah, actually, the beach theme. Even the crystals are like the water and
Yes.
the sand.
Yeah. Like a vacation.
I could just keep looking at this.
Yeah. You want to go on vacation and
Finding
it's all
the
in one
details.
bracelet.
You finding all the details in this that you just sit here and notice.
Mhm.
You know, and then of course we get into fall here with September, with again that lovely transition, a slight pop and a nod to the end of summer, but we're transitioning into fall and we're back at the beginning. And then as we've just gone through this again, not, you know, something that just kind of really dawned on me that I don't think we've discussed this, at least we haven't discussed it upstairs in the e-commerce team, is not only do we have the holidays, but you actually have a bracelet for each of the major seasons. You've got winter, you've got spring, you've got summer. Technically, you've got 2 for summer, so you can take your pick for summer. You've got fall.
Mhm.
So it really is, I mean, you've captured a lot of facets with this collection.
Yeah, and you could even mix and match. Like, so if you wanted to wear the 2 June and August bracelet, you could pair those together and kind of stack them on your wrist, and you know, you have 2 great charm bracelets.
You know, you could bring out your September fall with your Thanksgiving.
Exactly.
Or, you could do winter with your Christmas.
Yep.
I mean, I know it's a lot of blue and that's a lot of red and green, so maybe that's only my fashion sense, but you can do
Yeah,
it.
you can mix the seasonal with the holiday.
With the holiday. So this has been really, really great. And of course in the collection it comes with the display case with each little slot labeled.
Yes.
The organizer in me just
And it's
loves
really
it.
a nice sturdy box too, and it's got a glass top, so it's gonna be really nice and durable. It's a really great jewelry box, and this is
It is.
free with the subscription. So once you get everything, or the second shipment.
So if you ordered now, not only are you, your first shipment would be the October set, then comes the case.
Then comes November.
Oh no, then comes November.
And then comes
the
case.
case. Okay.
Yes.
So number 3 is
Number
the
3.
case, which is good. That gives you a nice start. This is like the perfect kind of way to start. So this is wonderful. We wanted to give you another look at our celebrations of the year holiday charm bracelet collection designed by Andrea, second generation artist here.
Yes. Thank you.
So we're glad you could take this peek with us. We invite you to take a closer look again, kind of get a look at some of the detail in some of these, and you can always click the link to learn more about it. And we've got some wonderful lives coming up. We're going to be getting even further into more Halloween fun coming this month and next month. And then, of course, we start looking ahead to Christmas.
Joy.
Oh, Christmas. We're so glad you joined us. We will see you guys next time.
Bye, thanks.
Bye, guys.